This video tutorial is about how you can fix iPhone X stuck on recovery mode. While insert charger, Apple logo, then blanks or boot loop. After connect to PC, iPhone goes to recovery mode. If the iPhone was stuck on recovery mode, then once you have to restore. The error on the restore process that we have to follow for the solution. Let's restore to the latest firmware. Always use the latest firmware to restore, otherwise you got an 3194 error. Let's check by restore any error shows or not. Always use iTunes to restore because this is the best software for iDevice that shows the actual error if that happens. Wait for the process to complete. The iPhone was fully restored. Now have to on hello screen. But unfortunately, instead of power on complete on hello screen, again goes to recovery mode is the main issue on that iPhone. The second step of the progress bar with the Apple logo not showing. After doing all diagnose, the fault was from the side of the flex. Let's disconnect the power switch flex because the iPhone power switch works as also a home button on iPhone X2 up models. After disconnecting power flags, the second step of Apple the logo with the progress bar start. Restart to the hello screen. The problem was fixed. The fault was from the side of the power switch flags. If you have any query about the video, feel free to comment below. We will respond to your comment as fast as possible. If you fix your stuff with the help of this video, then drop your feedback. If you get even a little bit of value from this, then do like to share this video. Subscribe to support us. Bookmark our channel on your default browser. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the GSM Solution and peace out till the next time.